Hey everybody, it's XZone 772X coming to you, ladies and greatest. I just unboxed this thing I got in the mail. This power supply I just got, Beast, by this company right here. I didn't really care for doing an unboxing video, so I'm just showing you what I got for my computer stuff I got just in the mail a little bit ago. It's a 850 watt power supply, and it's by this company right here. It's Beast. I got it off Amazon, got a deal on it. But enough words are said. Comes with this for extra to use for the power supply. Get your stuff working, I guess. But this thing looks beast. I'm gonna definitely do some testing and come with you more latest and greatest with a video about it. Just showing you this power supply, this PC stuff I got. I thought I was getting my Evo Hyper 212 Cooler Master, the Cooler Master Hyper Evo 212 compared to my stock cooler I'm using right now. My AMD build. This is what I'm using right now that I paid like $10 for on eBay. I mean, it's decent for what I'm using right now, but waiting for that Beast one to come in. But enough said of that. I am rocking my AMD build because it's my AMD build. That power supply I'm gonna put in this. Use it with my AMD build. I'm probably gonna get another one of those. I was gonna recently use it with my Intel build, but I'm rocking my AMD build right now. I'll show you what's inside here real quick. The LED lights are kind of fogging the video, I guess. Hold on. That's my R7750 by FXF X Radeon. They always say it's the 7700 series, but it's really this. This is a Beast card for gaming, so if you guys want something under budget, want something good, get yourself one of these. Who cares if it's older school, DDR3, it's Beast for gaming. What I like about it too is that no crossfire bridge necessary. It's just Beast, this card. I mean, words can't describe how good this is compared to what else it can do. But I'm pretty much using this now. My computer stuff I got in the mail, I'm using that build there compared to what I was using. I took all the Intel stuff out. This was my GDDR5 graphics card. It's a 460 by gigabyte, a GDDR5 graphics card. It's a beast, but I am using it with this motherboard here. I'll put it aside for now with the Q9 400 processor by Intel, Beast. It's a quad core. This is a DDR3 motherboard, which has DDR2 support. But this definitely gonna be using this for my AMD build there. Now, I told you how my thing wire inside came loose and it broke, so got this adapter, which is cool and comes in handy, decent. I do rock my gaming with these. Get yourself up here if you want some very good experience headphones for gaming. These are the Beast for all my needs of gaming. The sound of these are just like movie theater experience. Mind blowing compared to other headphones like my Koss Pro DJ100s I use and stuff like that. So check out all my headphone videos and stuff I do, amps, truth about headphones and all. They are open back, so they will leak, but they're Beast. And that's the motherboard I'm rocking with right now in this case. I am using an AM3 CPU ready. I did a desktop rig video, so check out that, how I rendered and stuff on my first one, gaming rig. This is the motherboard's beast. I bought off eBay. The dude said it was not working, it couldn't boot or whatever. I fixed it myself, and see it there, it's working. Fine. I don't know what the heck to do, the way he's doing. I guess he doesn't know how to switch out a CMOS battery or get a new hard drive. This motherboard's beast. It's DDR2, but who cares? I'm gonna get some better DDR RAM. I have some DDR3 RAM coming, G.Skill, with my Evo Cooler Master 212, the Hyper 212, which I'll be doing later. I am rocking it with a the AMD build there. It's got a quad core AM3 in it. It's a 630. But we'll text this power supply with my motherboard over there, and I'll come at you more latest and greatest. Just show you my computer stuff I got, what I'm rocking with for my AMD build. I will make another video of an Intel build, which I'm going to do later on. Probably going to get another one of these. Instead of using my 600 EVGA power supply, get another one of these. The outcome is good, and it just looks beast to me. Need 50 watt. But enough of my unboxing stuff I did here and stuff for my computer, which I'm going to have some more come in. But I'll come at you more latest and greatest. It's just showing you my stuff here I got from my AMD build there. My XFX R7750 by Radeon. Beast graphics card, DDR2. Beast graphics card, DDR3. 2 GB graphics card. I got so much in my head, I gotta do other builds and stuff later on. Like right now I'm doing stuff over there, so I guess got so much going on. Sorry about that. But the XFX 7750 R7750 graphics card, Beast graphics card for gaming. I usually use 720p for gaming and stuff, so it keeps everything idle and leveled and balanced. I don't go higher. And I use a Cat 7 internet cable, so it helps better for gaming, trust me. But enough said of this brand here. Beast power supply, 850 power supply compared to my 600 I'm using. And using that XFX R7750 graphics card and that ASRock motherboard. Just check out this stuff, research. It boots up fast, very good. And this Beast power supply and stuff I got here for that build there. But enough said. Like, subscribe. Sorry about rambling and stuff. Just got a lot on my mind. But hope y'all have a good holidays and Christmas and stuff. And how much more latest and greatest. You have a good one.